Firstly, link all electric and pneumatic supply. Install the vertical column and the auxiliary arm. Pay special attention to it that bracing column must precisely point to the center of the turntable. Then fix tight the screws. Demounting tie. Press the tie from the ring to its minimum diameter position with pedal. Depress the column tilting pedal. Vertical column will tilt back. Select mast, outside stick or inner attach. Take care for protecting rim. Extend the joist to a position a bit wider than the rim diameter. Place the wheel on the turntable. Let the pressing column press down the rim. Depress the clamping pedal twice to clamp the wheel rim firmly in place. Meanwhile, lift up the press column. Adjust the right hip arm height. Press tie with pressing disc a suitable position. Press reverse pedal. Rotate the turntable to detach the bead from the rim. Lubricate tie and rim. Step pneumatic reverse pedal. Make tilting arm recover. Adjust the demounting head beside rim in a suitable position. Look the mounting head above rim 2 to 3 mm to it. Adjust the rule of right hip arm and the mounting head. Press tire, then insert lever into tire. Move ruler away after finish. The complete lining of left hip arm. Press tire with bead brake to the side at rim diameter. Move the bead opposite to the mounting head. Raise tire with lever above the mounting head. Rotate turntable. Detach bead from the rim. Move big rolling plates of both left and right auxiliary arms at the same time to the underneath tie and lift it up. Demount tie low side. Step pneumatic tilting pedal. Make tilting arm. Take up the tire and continue to demount the other side of wheel with lever. Mount tire. Firstly, lubricate the tire and steel rim. Take tire on rim. Step pneumatic back pedal. Make tilting arm recover. Move the mounting head beneath tire. Step reverse pedal. Rotate turntable. Mount tire lower side to rim. Press the tire below the mounting head with roll of right auxiliary arm. Move the left auxiliary arm beside the mounting head. Press the tire with its roll of minimum diameter position of the rim. Step reverse pedal. Rotate turntable. Push the roll by hand to move along with the turntable. Rotate until the tire is completely mounted. Finally, in-flight tire fully.